Making straight A's and graduating on top of the class is what almost every student dream of. But you know what? Only a few students know the secret and what it takes to make their dream a reality. If you are such a student who desires to be making straight A's in any exam you will be sitting for, this video will discuss 10 secrets that will help you to make straight A's in your subsequent examinations. If you are new in this channel, consider subscribing so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Secret number 1. Make it a determination. If you truly want to be making straight A's in all your examinations, you must take a firm determination to do so today. Stop saying I wish I would get that course A. Stop saying I hope to graduate on top of my class. Instead, use such words like I must make straight A's in the coming exams. I must graduate on top of my class. The truth is that making straight A's in all your examination is not easy, and that is why you must take a firm determination if you are going to achieve that dream. If possible, go the extra mile of writing it where you will be seeing it every day. That will help you to be focused. Secret number 2. Start studying early. The biggest mistake most students make while in the school is waiting for the day of examination before they will start studying. That habit is so disappointing that if you want to be making straight A's in all your examination, you should avoid it as much as possible. As soon as the semester begins, start immediately to studying your books. Making sure you study on regular basis with a good timetable will help you to cover everything you are supposed to know before the examination. Number 3. Know the course content and work with it. This is another trick that works pretty well. It is not all about reading and reading, but reading the right material is the most important thing. First of all, always make sure you know the course content of every course you are offering and ask your lecturer for the recommended textbook on that course and study with it. It will help you not only to be focused but also to learn the core concept of the course. Number 4. Write down your note by hand. A 214 study shows that students who write their notes with hand always retain the information longer than those who type their notes. Each time you study, make sure to write down important points in your own words. Number 5. Adopt the best study habit. Practice the study habit used by the top level students. Such habits as use of flashcards to write key definitions, teach others what you learned, studying when you will not be distracted in a conducive environment where you will have a full concentration. If possible, each time you study, avoid lying down on the bed. Instead, sit on a chair with a table in the front in a well-balanced reading posture. That will help you not only to understand better, but also to study for a long time without getting fatigued. Number 6. Study with a sharp mind. You may not know how important your study group is until when you start studying with a sharp mind in your class. Your friends as a student has a lot of influence on your academic performance. Hence, make friends with those who are serious with their studies. 7. Don't leave out your homework. Your homework is very important to your overall assessment. Therefore, always do your homework on time, making sure you finish it before the deadline. 8. Take enough time to rest, sleep, and exercise. Your health is as important as anything that is of value to you. Therefore, don't play with it. Make sure you sleep at least 8 hours each day. Exercise regularly at least 3 times in a week. 9. Eat good and healthy food. You are what you eat. The quality and the composition of your diet has a lot of effect in your overall health. So make sure to eat regular and healthy food always. Number 10. Attend lectures. This is so important. Don't joke with your lectures. Attend all your lectures if possible. Participate fully by asking questions where and whenever you are confused. Also answer questions in the class. Take notes and be active in the class all the time. Thank you so much for watching our video. We would like to give you another interesting videos like this to enjoy next, but before then, our team will be very happy if you will like this video and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you.